Fishing throw back out there. Yeah, y'all see that cast? Yeah, little man all by himself on a 6-foot pole. Old Shelly Shell out here. See what she got today. We just fishing. Any kind of poles, any kind of worms. You don't need much when you're just fishing. You got it, Daddy? Huh? Throw it back out there. Let everybody see you catch that big old thing. There you go. Yeah, y'all see that little, yeah. It's a 3-year-old. He went from there to there. What you got today?
Not a damn thing.
Huh?
Not a damn thing.
Not nothing.
Not nothing.
This kid friendly.
Well, actually, I did catch a little bit.
Oh yeah, she did catch a little fish.
Put them on the side.
She said not a dang thing. You got it? Throw it out there. There we go. Watch your bobbers. Everybody watch your bobbers. Just fishing today, man. Y'all tuned in with Just Fishing, trying to catch y'all something. We're at Salmons Park. She feeding the fish again. She done lost another worm. Oh, you do got your worm? Well, I'm sorry, YouTube. She got the worm, but no fish. You threw it high? Oh, that bobber is out there. Let me zoom. I can't zoom in. This is an Android. There's a few fishermen out here today. We got one over there. Somebody over there in the blue, you can't see him. And then it's us, just fishing. We'll be back when we get a catch.